Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, where Michelangelo and Da Vinci once rivaled each other for glory. And you're rushing past it on a guide's schedule. Overcrowded group tours, 10 minutes at the Uffizi, a rushed glance at David, and a guide reciting dates while the real Medici drama slips right past you. Uvamai's Florence self-guided audio tour hands you 21 of the city's most iconic landmarks, with expert narration revealing the Medici intrigue, the artistic rivalries, and the secrets carved into every dome and piazza. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to you, professional audio guides, and an interactive map, ready whenever you are. No group, no rushing. Florence at your own pace for up to 6 days. Stand before Michelangelo's David and hear the rivalry that shaped the Renaissance. Walk beneath Brunelleschi's dome and discover the engineering secret that stunned the world. Wander the Uffizi's golden halls and Piazza delle Signoria's open-air sculpture garden. Cross the shop-lined Ponte Vecchio and hear the Medici gossip behind its jewelers. Uncover the fiery sermons of Savonarola in the shadow of the Duomo. 21 landmarks, finally told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Florence, not just photograph it. $6. 21 Florence landmarks. Your pace. Your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.